This is the 2012 to 2015 Lexus LX 570. We're about to pair and set up CarPlay in the audio. If you've just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for the first time, please watch this video fully. This is your factory screen here. Pull out your iPhone, open up Settings, and then the Bluetooth app. You're going to see a new device starting with Hamilton. Touch it. A pairing code will pop up and you can disregard the number, just click pair. Click allow to contacts and favorites. And when you get a green button that says connect to CarPlay, click connect. Finally, if you get a prompt that says allow apps in CarPlay, click allow. Here it is, wireless CarPlay running on the LX 570. What a game-changing difference. It makes this awesome vehicle feel brand new. We're not done quite yet. We have a few important steps, so please watch to the end. If you touch the Hamilton button, you can come back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Touching CP Link will bring you back to CarPlay. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds on the steering wheel switches between the factory system and CarPlay. It's very important that you set your factory audio mode to the aux mode. Once you've set it to aux mode, the car will generally hold it here. We've grabbed your aux wire through the wiring harness we installed back here. This system is completely compatible with Mark Levinson audio and it will preserve your original audio quality. We're using the aux mode and your phone is streaming audio through the Hamilton network, and then the Hamilton upgrade kit is playing it via the aux line. I would also recommend that you come to Setup, Bluetooth, Registered Devices, and remove your original devices from this list. You don't want your phone trying to play audio between the Hamilton network and the factory Bluetooth. It's best to eliminate factory Bluetooth altogether. I would also recommend from Bluetooth on your iPhone that you forget your factory device. With the car in aux mode, we can long hold that voice speech button, and there we are in CarPlay. You can also change the audio modes by pushing the mode button on the steering wheel. It will cycle through the audio modes until you hit aux mode. One last note of information. On my iPhone, if I swipe down from the top right, I can access the control center. See how my Wi-Fi icon has turned white? We did not manually make any Wi-Fi connections. This is because CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate, and then it automatically takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. This is from Apple and not from Hamilton. What this means for you is the proper way to disconnect CarPlay is to touch the white Wi-Fi icon, and you'll get a prompt from Apple. Disconnect CarPlay? Click disconnect. You then have to turn off Bluetooth to keep CarPlay from reconnecting. Once again, CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate the connection, and then the phone's Wi-Fi channel is automatically taken over. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system before we pair CarPlay. You can see now if I touch that Bluetooth icon, in about 30 seconds, this system will automatically reconnect CarPlay. There it is. And if we were to look in Control Center, that Wi-Fi channel has once again been taken over by the Apple system. If you have any questions or need any help with this process, our company is known for our helpful tech support. We have concierge-style service available at 919-858-2890. We're here to answer any questions before, during, or after your purchase. We'll have a full installation video. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.